Hello, yes, again, here's a bit of answers. Today we will learn a bit about Hightodown. So when you downloaded it from GitHub, what hopefully all of you did. So Hightodown is like a language, but not like a real programming language, but we will do some basic stuff. So, okay, so at first we make the classic hello world. The file must always be named as .htd, it's hard-coded. Hello world. And then we put here the end. So what it does here is the print. Here is what it's print, what the text who is printed, and here is the end. Why the end? Because Hightodown is internally working with a while loop, yes, and yeah, the end breaks it. The end breaks the while loop. So we will see. So let's run it. Will always take some time. So we saw hello world. So let's show it a little bit longer. We will add a sleep 2 seconds, or it's milliseconds, I'm not sure. 2, and then we run it. So when you see the delay, and it's closed. So we will also do the following thing. We will the interesting thing about this about Hightodown are the aliases, or the alias, I'm not sure, it's called alias. So we set alias is like a variable, but you have only one variable, so you have one place where you can like store things and so on. So at first keyword is set underscore alias. We will set it to hello world. We will print the print underscore alias and then an end, but we will put a sleep here, sleep 3 seconds. So when we see, we get hello world, what we set in the alias, and then we print the alias, or however it's called in English, sleep 3 seconds, and then end. Yes. So, but what is about control structures like if and something like this? We have something similar in this programming language. We have only underscore. Let me look in the keywords file. At first, we have only input alias. So, but so we will this here. Again, you can find it on GitHub. And just only input alias test secret print. You have discovered my secret, and then we will end it. So what it does, but at first only input alias. At first we have to set the we have to set the alias underscore alias to secret. So let's test it. So we have here our code. So at first we set our alias to secret, then we say only input alias. So if this input is what is stored in this alias, then we will print you have discovered my secret, else the program will break. I will show you. Secret discovered, yeah. We can also add here also a sleep function of, let's make 5 seconds. So execute it. With here secret, you have discovered my secret, and it is, I think it's milliseconds or seconds, I'm not sure. So let's go back here, and what else can we do? Yeah, I am showing you now, what else can we do? Yeah, that's basically some of the basic and important stuff. You can also use only underscore input, so you don't have to deal with the alias. Only input test, only input secret. We can also make it this way, but then we don't use an alias. So we have to say it's basically the same, but you have to say him what is in the you will see. You discovered my secret. See my secret word. So, and we will run it. Oh, we forgot something very important, and that's the, yes, if you have may seen it, and we forgot the end. And also sleep, so that we see something. Again, 5 seconds. It's a bit long, but okay, 5 seconds, okay. Let me just check. Yes, it is okay. Hightodown.exe. Valid, you discovered one secret word. It says valid because I've implemented that it says valid when it's valid. Yes, and that's basically some beginner stuff we have here. You can see we have many keywords. We can also use like we can also clear our alias, and yes, today, and we have, this is not the latest version. The latest version you can find on GitHub. And see you next time. You're Peter Meissen /David.